Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you don't know me, my name is Daslin, and here on my channel I make travel and hair care content to make your life easier through my life experiences. So if you haven't, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss another video. Okay guys, so today we are here in Capri, and I'm going to be taking on a full tour and review and room tour of the Hotel Bellavista here in Anacapri. So if you guys have any questions at all about the accommodation, the hotel stay, any nitty-gritty details, let me know in the comments below. I definitely will be sure to get back to all of you because I want you guys to have the best trip and stay at the best accommodation in Capri, Italy. So this property is actually right across the street from San Michele, which is another hotel that I stayed at. If you guys are interested in checking out that hotel review, definitely make sure to go check that out. This was the Bellavista. When I say this hotel gives you everything that you need, it was close to the main plaza, it was walkable, it was convenient. I would say the cleanliness was 10 out of 10. I think that's very important when visiting properties, and it's a family run hotel, so definitely can come here if you have kids, if you're a family, or even if you're a couple. This hotel is suitable for everyone. It's a beautiful large property, but at the same time it's very simple. They also have tennis courts on the property. If you want to take tennis lessons or a tennis class during your stay, you can absolutely do that as well. The property has a nice vineyard feel to it. It has a lot of peach trees and flowers, and it has a whole garden. It's very beautiful and aesthetically pleasing, of giving you that sense like you're living in a garden. So the Bellavista actually has included breakfast as well, so definitely make sure to utilize that every morning if you are going to stay here at this hotel. But other than that, I will be sure to link the hotel information down below, as well as the Expedia link, so you guys can all check it out. One key tip though, I would definitely make sure you book this hotel months in advance, especially if you're planning on going during high season, June, July, August. Definitely make sure to plan ahead of time because everything does get booked out pretty quickly. And then as for the room, it was very spacious, it was clean, and the views from the balcony were absolutely stunning. The hotel is on the edge of a cliff, so looking to the left of the balcony, it spans out into the ocean and out into the horizon. It's gorgeous, especially at sunset when the day is finishing up. You could sit out here and just relax. So something really cool about the Bellavista is that they actually have tennis courts here. So if you want to, you can go play some tennis over there. Maybe I'll go over and show you guys. Hold on, let me see. There's like beautiful orange trees and everything. Look at this. How beautiful. It's very like secluded though, so you have a lot of privacy. But let me see if I can get in here. It's like a whole bunch of gardens, and oh, there's oranges everywhere. Oh no, they're peaches. They're peaches. That's awesome. That's so cool. We don't have peach trees in New York, you guys. So you have the tennis courts over here, which is really nice. And then it's actually overlooking the water over there. You can't see it because it's like not level ground, but they have tennis courts right next door. If you guys haven't, definitely make sure to go check out my Italy series where I was in Sorrento, Capri, Anacapri, and then for my last stop in Positano, I give you all the reviews, all the excursions, where to eat, all the fun stuff, the experience vlogs, all the information. So definitely make sure to go check out those vlogs. If you can, please like this video and share with somebody that's going with you to Italy or is thinking about going to Italy, so it can make their trip just a little bit easier. But if you enjoyed this video, thank you so much for watching and making it all the way to the end, and I'll see you guys next time.